Drunken Sailor, very popular sea shanty song. I'm gonna play regular tempo. Drunken Sailor, right hand. Starting with 5th finger on A. I'm gonna play with bandoneon, deep switcher. We have 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 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 2, and 3, and 4, and switch to 2nd finger, same note, 2nd line, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and careful now. Like this we have 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and going ahead, 1, and 2, and quarter with a dot, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 3rd line, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and dot, change to 2nd, C, then 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and Drunken Sailor, left hand. We are starting with D minor, C, G, D, minor with 2nd finger, C major, back to the D, 2nd line, C, play short bass, D, 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 C, C, D minor, D minor, C, D. Okay, let me play now together in slow tempo. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, C major, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, change. Careful here. This part is like a variation, it's very similar to the first. Dot, 3rd line, having dot, change to 2nd,